Hey guys, welcome to Costa Rica. I'm on vacation. It is raining outside because it is a rainy season, and I just thought it would be fun to bring you along and show you how to cook when you have just a hot plate. I do actually have a microwave and a coffee pot, but what I want to eat, we're just going to use a hot plate and the limited items in this little kitchenette at this resort we're staying at. So let's get right into it. Okay, so excuse the lighting. There's really not great lighting, but I'm doing what I can here. A couple of different lights that I brought with me for such an occasion. So this is a hot plate. You just plug it in, you turn it, and it's like a burner, right? We've got eggs, which in many parts of the world, they do not refrigerate them. They have their natural coating that keeps them safe. In America, we wash those off, and so they have to be refrigerated. I've got some sausage of some kind. Got some bread. Beautiful tomato. I love tomatoes, and this is, I mean, it looks like it came from a real garden, not like the gross ones you get at stores in America. I may be a homegrown tomato snob. And then seasoning, kind of an all-purpose seasoning, because you don't have salt at the very least. It's bland, but I figure this looks like it has garlic, onion, pepper, parsley. I'm just going by the pictures here. Probably says it in English somewhere. Yeah, it does. Anyway, so let's get cooking.
So we are going to do our mise en place or preparing things. As you can see here, there are words on this sausage, which I'm pretty sure that means you're not supposed to eat the casing. So I am cutting that off and then just chopping these up. This is, you know, not a chef's knife like I would normally use, but just using my resources, and also chopping up this beautiful tomato. So that way I don't have to worry about chopping while I'm cooking, because it is pretty quick what I wanted to make. And I started melting, I think this is margarine. Again, I don't speak Spanish. It was next to the butter and looks like margarine to me. So melting that in a pan, and because we didn't have a toaster, I wanted to make toast, have a breakfast sandwich, brunch sandwich. So melting that and then putting in some bread, letting it just brown, get a little toasty, flipping it over, and then moving on to the next item. I'm rendering the fat in this. That means that when it's cooking, it's getting nice and caramelized and that beautiful flavor, and also it gets a little grease in the pan to help with the rest of the stuff. Always put in the thing that you want cooking the longest, and then go to shorter items. So next up, I'm going to do some eggs, add in the seasoning, and last the tomatoes, because you don't want them to just turn into mush. Give it a good flip, fold it over, and then here you have a beautiful sandwich if you assemble it.
And right now I'm going to have it with limon plantain chips and this aloe drink that I have been loving. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I am going to go enjoy my lunch right now. And let me know if you enjoyed this. I think it'd be fun to do a different series, like what if you only have a microwave? What if you only have a coffee pot to cook with? Try out different things. So it's been something that's been running in my mind for a while, and I just figured might as well try the hot plate for now, because that's what I'm using. So thanks so much for joining me. If you're interested in more things about Costa Rica, you can check out my vlog channel. I'll link down to it below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.